Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you want to stop getting too many alerts from the Booking.com app, or just control what kind of notifications you receive? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to manage your notification settings step by step, so you only get what matters to you. First, open the Booking.com app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Device Preferences. Now tap on Notifications. Here you will find a list of different types of notifications you can receive. For example, booking confirmations, price alerts, promotional messages, and more. Simply turn on or off the notifications you want to receive. Now you know how to control the notifications you receive from the Booking.com app. Customizing them helps you stay informed about what matters and avoid distractions. Take a moment to adjust your settings for a better, more personalized experience.